Welcome to an extraordinary corner of the planet, where two remote islands stand as a testament to the strange and fascinating nature of time and geography. This is the story of the Diomede Islands. Our journey begins in the vast, icy expanse of the Bering Strait, the narrow channel that connects the Arctic Ocean and the Bering Sea, separating North America from Asia. This frigid body of water is often choked with ice, home to some of the most rugged and unforgiving maritime conditions on Earth. Tucked away in the middle of this challenging strait are two tiny, rocky outcroppings known collectively as the Diomede Islands. Let's zoom in and explore the geographical singularity that defines these islands. The two islands, Big Diomede and Little Diomede, represent a geographical oddity. Big Diomede is Russian territory, while Little Diomede belongs to the United States. The incredible fact is that these two nations are separated by only 2.4 miles of icy water, a distance easily visible on a clear day. This narrow gap of water holds the key to the island's most fascinating feature, the international dateline. Running directly between Big Diomede and Little Diomede is the international dateline, the official boundary where the calendar day begins. This invisible line dictates that Big Diomede, being on the Russian side, is always 21 hours ahead of its American neighbor, Little Diomede. Imagine the scenario. Standing on one island, you are literally looking across to tomorrow. If it is noon on Wednesday on Little Diomede, it is 9 a.m. on Thursday on Big Diomede. They are separated by almost a full day. This dramatic temporal gap has earned the islands their nicknames. Big Diomede is often called Tomorrow Island, and Little Diomede, Yesterday Island. Let's focus now on the Russian island, Big Diomede, or Imaklik in the indigenous language. Big Diomede is the larger of the two, covering approximately 11 square miles. It is completely uninhabited by civilians. Today, Big Diomede functions primarily as a Russian military and border guard outpost, a silent sentinel watching over the edge of the international dateline. Across the frozen boundary lies Little Diomede, or Ignaluk, a stark contrast to its neighbor. Little Diomede is U.S. territory and home to a small indigenous Inupiat community residing in the village of Diomede. Life here is harsh, defined by the rugged terrain, isolation, and the intense cold of the Bering Strait. The Diomede Islands are more than just a geographical curiosity. They are a dramatic symbol of global geopolitics. They sit directly on the maritime border between the United States and Russia, often referred to as the quote during the Cold War. In a world often seeking connection, the Diomede Islands stand apart, bridging not just two continents, but two different calendar days, a place where you can truly look across and see tomorrow.